Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Target PlayStation gift card how to redeem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Target PlayStation gift card, the method that you can use first is redeem on PS5 or PS4. To do it, simply turn on your PS5, then go to the settings on the top right, then inside select user and accounts. Then once you're inside user and accounts, select account, and inside account select payments and subscriptions. Now inside select redeem codes, then simply enter the 12-digit code from your gift card. Once entered, simply select redeem and your PSN wallet balance will update immediately. The next method that you can use is redeem on PlayStation mobile app. To do it, simply head over and open up your PlayStation application. Then simply tap on sign in on the bottom and log using your sign in ID or your email. Then once logged in, and once on your home screen, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then once you tap on it, you'll find an option that says redeem code. Simply select that and then you'll be prompted to enter the 12-digit code of your gift card. Simply enter it and then tap on next, and then once that's done, you'll be asked to confirm it. Simply tap on confirm and then you will be able to redeem the gift card even if your console is not with you. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.